Hey, my name is Brittany, and in fall of 2022, I was the victim of violent crime. And with that, I had to apply for crime victims compensation. And now I want to help other victims and their loved ones who may be having to apply as well. Today, I want to talk about the state of New Jersey and their Victims of Crime Compensation Program. New Jersey's Victims of Crime Compensation Program assists certain individuals whose lives have been tragically altered as a result of victimization from violent crimes by providing compensation for some expenses they suffer as a result of the crime. Eligibility: who's a victim? A victim of a crime who has sustained personal injury, trauma or death, surviving spouse, parent or guardian, child or other relative dependent for support upon a victim of a crime who died as a direct result of the crime, or a person injured while trying to prevent a crime, or while assisting a police officer in making an arrest. The crime must occur in New Jersey, although you need not to be a New Jersey resident, or you must be a New Jersey resident who became a victim in another state or jurisdiction that does not have a crime victim compensation program. Again, it has to occur in New Jersey. You don't have to be a New Jersey resident, or you could be a New Jersey resident who became a victim in another state that does not have CBC. The crime must be filed within 9 months of the date of the crime, or within 5 years when injury or death occurred to the victim, or later than 5 years if there is a good cause. As of August 1st, 2020, good cause can include, but is not limited to, instances where the victim or the victim's dependents are not appropriately informed of the CBC program, crime-induced incapacity prevents the timely filing of a crime, or where victims have demonstrated a mentally induced incapacity. For victims under 18 years old, the filing deadline is extended 5 years beyond their 18th birthday. So how to apply? They do have an online application. The compensable crimes include assault, aggravated and simple, disorderly conduct, threats to bodily harm, obscene acts, indecent acts with children, kidnapping, murder, manslaughter, aggravated essay, aggravated criminal essay, any other violent crime, DV, burglary, tampering with food, medicines, or cosmetics, human trafficking, bias intimidation, criminal stalking, vehicular homicide, assault by auto, DWI, carjacking, and hit and run. Award amounts. Maximum award amount is $25,000. If a victim's injury is catastrophic, meaning the victim has lost permanent use of a bodily function, the maximum award increases up to an additional $35,000. Other award amounts include medical, up to $25,000 per claim. That goes for dental and counseling as well. Up to $3,000 for relocation, and the funeral maximum is $7,500. Domestic help maximum is $6,500. Fencing cleanup is $4,000 maximum. Daycare services, there is a $6,500 maximum, and they do also offer helping you get medical equipment and offer supplemental compensation for victims who are catastrophically injured. That is it for the state of New Jersey. With them, they do have a few different ways you can contact them. There's a victim portal, you can schedule an appointment, and as always, I will include their contact information. If there's something else you want to know, please let me know, put it in the comments, or let me know what state you want me to do next. That is it for this video. Bye.